Lordstown Motors and Foxconn agree to a $500 million mortgage. The Mahoning Valley Manufacturers Coalition begins developing career pathways for the electric vehicle industry and a possible spring start for a project in Salem. This is the Daily Buzz. Hello everyone, welcome to the Daily Buzz. I'm Mike Moliterno. Lordstown Motors and Foxconn have agreed to a mortgage of up to $500 million. Documents filed in the Trumbull County Recorder's Office November 24th show that Foxconn has extended up to $500 million in credit to Lordstown Motors in exchange for the company putting its plant and land up as collateral. Under the agreement, Lordstown Motors will mortgage land, improvements, equipment, easements, fixtures, and personal property in return for the financing. Lordstown Motors spokesperson Kimberly Spell tells the Business Journal these kinds of agreements aren't unusual, saying, quote, "Under Ohio law, when you record an open-ended mortgage, you need to declare a maximum amount. This amount typically exceeds the amount of potential liabilities that would be secured by the mortgage." In November, Lordstown Motors and Foxconn signed an asset purchase agreement for Foxconn to purchase the plant, land, and other assets for $230 million. That agreement is contingent on a deal for Foxconn to act as contract manufacturer for the all-electric endurance pickup truck, which must be enacted before the deal closes. The two companies have also agreed to pursue a joint venture to design and develop vehicle programs for markets in the U.S. and overseas. You can read more in the story on our website. To make sure the growing electric vehicle market in the region has a qualified workforce ready to fill jobs, the Mahoning Valley Manufacturers Coalition is working to create career pathway programs for the EV market. In today's 3 Minutes with Video, Executive Director Jessica Borza talks about how they're modeling the pathways after successful programs the coalition has already developed.
We're doing some independent research right now. We're working with Altium to kind of map out the skills and competencies that they need, and then just really looking at our landscape of partners to see, what gaps do we need to fill to serve that new and emerging market.
You can hear more in the 3 Minutes with Video at businessjournaldaily.com. Developer Jim Landino says he expects to start work on a mixed-use redevelopment near Penn State Shenango in early 2022. Landino is proposing a $2.5 million redevelopment of the former Korean & Company warehouse at 297 Shenango Avenue. About half of the 47,000 square foot building would be made into apartments, with the rest used for commercial space. Landino says he's working on getting the rest of the financing together and that it is, quote, a 95% done deal. And that is going to do it for today's Daily Buzz. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. If you'd like to dive deeper into any of these stories, links are available in the description. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Mike Moliterno.
717 Credit Union. Business services designed to meet your daily needs. Commercial loans, business deposits, merchant and payroll services. 717 Credit Union. It's knowing you were treated right every time.